bacon and BO.
We've never done this. This is all new to the records. So fancy and $34 a night. Jeez Louise. It's a little tight.
Sweet. Hey. We're gonna go out there.
What?
We're gonna go out there.
What are you doing? You're filming already. We haven't even gotten out of the car. Is it still on? Oh dear Lord.
That's on.
What's with your hat?
I don't know. It wouldn't go on.
Yeah, because your head's fat. You need to lose some head fat. You got a fat head.
Oh, is that better?
Yeah, that's much better.
That's much better?
Yeah. Okay, first day in the old blow-up kayak.
It's not old, it's new.
Oh boy.
The evolution.
That looks complicated.
Oh, it's on the bottom.
We should be timing this.
Should be timing.
You're a minute 29 in. Minute and a half in.
We run out of battery or SD card, then this takes too long.
We're either gonna love this or hate it. All right, let's take it to the beach where maybe there's no goat heads or glass or bottles, or let's just lay it out there. There's probably less likely stuff to pop hole. That's what I would do with this stuff. This thing is huge. 15 feet. Double kayak.
Battery or SD card, then this takes.
Okay, so maiden voyage in hopefully not a death trap, just saying. I think as long as we don't hit any sharp rocks, we should be fine. What do you think, Record?
I think we should have charged the GoPro, that's what I think.
Oh, yeah, that would have been better.
Wah, wah, wah.
Damn government.
Due to visible deterioration of the support beams within Tunnel 3, this tunnel is closed until further notice. That was November 1st.
So a couple boulders fall down.
So you can't get to the dam. I don't even see any support beams.
I don't either, but they're probably way on the other side.
Well, that was a short bike ride. So, we couldn't ride our bikes to Hoover Dam because the tunnel was closed. So we figured that we would drive over.
Should be simple.
Should be simple. We just weren't meant to see the dam today, but we are going to have a front row seat to a helicopter landing. So we have that to look forward to. Maybe I'll get ice cream out of this yet.
Hot and shade. Whew. Row 95. Yeah, I would think these things filter the water before it goes through the turbines to make electricity.
They probably tell you on the tour.
Yeah.
We're too cheap for the tour.
Yeah, it's $15. I don't know. $30. I'm sure I can just research it on Google.
That's a lot of ice cream. 30 bucks.
Not 100% sure.
No.
Well, we had a really good time.
We got to see Hoover Dam. That's all that mattered. It's there. Still covered in water.
Barely. So, Mr. Wilson finally got his ice cream. Are you happy about that?
Life is good.
Yes.
So is ice cream.
But it is it low-fat yogurt ice cream? Yeah. So we are sort of being good, but not really. Thinking. I did get my own